We'll guide you through how to master Asana, perfect for beginners looking to get organized. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Asana website. Once you're on the homepage, sign up for a free account if you haven't already, or log in to your existing account. When you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Start by creating a new project by clicking the plus sign in the top bar. You can choose from a blank project, use a template, or import a spreadsheet. For beginners, I recommend starting with a blank project to get a feel for the basics. Name your project and choose whether you want it to be private to you, shared with specific teammates, or public. After you've created your project, you'll be prompted to add tasks. Click on the Add Task button and type in the task name. You can press Enter to add more tasks quickly. Once you've listed your tasks, you can assign them to your team members by clicking on the Assignee field and selecting a name from the drop-down. To set deadlines, click the calendar icon next to each task and choose a date. This helps you keep track of timelines and priorities. Now, to keep your tasks organized, use sections. Click on Add Section to group related tasks together. You can drag and drop tasks into these sections as needed. Asana also allows you to add additional details to tasks, such as descriptions, attachments, and subtasks. Just click on a task to access its detailed view, and you'll see all these options. If you want to track progress visually, switch to the board view by clicking the board icon in the top right corner of your project. This is especially useful for Kanban-style management. Finally, make use of integrations. Asana connects with a variety of tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox, which can significantly enhance your workflow. Simply go to the Integrations tab in your project settings to set these up. Don't forget to explore Asana's Help Center for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.